Oh man, okay. What is today? Today is Wednesday. Zoe's crying. Sorry if it's loud. She's a little upset. She dropped the candle. She climbed on the table, grabbed it, and too little too late, couldn't get it in time. But I mean, it's an easy cleanup. It's not a big deal. She got scared, so she's still a little freaked out. Preston, I just put him down for a nap. He's probably not gonna sleep for another 15 minutes. He's rolling around, but he's been up early. He's been up since about 8 this morning, so he's probably gonna fall asleep soon. If you haven't noticed by now, maybe you did in the previous couple of shots where I'm wearing Birkenstocks and I'm wearing socks. In our household, we don't wear shoes. We try not to wear shoes. And we have indoor shoes. We have shoes dedicated to we wear them inside only, that's it. Azalea and I have both taken microbiology, and that kind of ruined us both. More so Azalea. Azalea to the point where she doesn't even like to have the dogs on the beds or on the couches, and that sucks because that's probably one of the most fun part of having a dog or a cat is letting them on the bed and the couch with you, and I miss doing that, but Azalea she just can't do it. And we both agreed that not wearing your shoes inside is probably beneficial for everybody, especially when we have 2 small kids. One in which is crawling everywhere, and then the second, Zoe here, where she might not be crawling like she used to, but she still likes to run around in her bare feet and in her socks. And then of course she's jumping all over us, she's jumping all over the beds. So if she's walking and our floors are full of like dog poop and dirt from the outside, then that's going to just eventually end up on our beds, right? We don't want that. And it's inevitable. It's good, like things are going to happen, but we're just trying to be as preventative as much as we can. So that's why we don't wear shoes inside of the house. And that's why you're going to see me wearing socks or my Birkenstocks. Those aren't my everyday shoes that I wear outside. Those are just what I wear inside. But man, it's been a rough day. It's been really busy. I've been on the phone all morning, just working, doing business. I'm still trying to finish editing my video from Tuesday. I'm pretty sure I'll get it done eventually tonight, but I'm gonna be scrounged on time because I'm trying to make dinner again tonight, and I'm trying to go to the gym tonight as well. I haven't been to the gym for like the last week and a half because I caught a really bad cold right on Christmas, and it affected me probably like for a week and a half. I'm barely getting over it. I feel fine, but I can still feel like the repercussions of like when you've had a sore throat and you're coughing for like the past week. My voice still isn't correct, but I feel better. I feel good. So I'm ready to go back to the gym. I'll probably get some video. Maybe I'll include that in these vlogs, right? That's what these vlogs are. They're raw. They're just supposed to be of what I'm doing during my day. But I'm also trying to lead you down this road of me navigate. Let me say that again. I'm trying to navigate you down this road that I'm taking to start a business from scratch to something. Anyways, I gotta get back to work. It's about 12:30 right now. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything yet. I've been eating whatever the kids have been eating. Like if Zoe's eating cereal or a sandwich, she'll bring it to me and I'll just like sneak a bite. That's what I do. Your feet stink. Okay, let's get back to work, baby. Okay, both of the babies are asleep. They've been asleep for about an hour now. So I don't have much time to do anything. I'm still working. I still need to finish editing this video, the vlog that you're going to be watching on Wednesday. When do I upload this video? This is Tuesday's vlog, so I need to upload this on Wednesday. I'm on a huge time crunch right now. Holy crap. I'm going to get to editing, and we'll pick up later. We'll probably pick up like around 4 once the babies are awake and I have to make dinner. It's so cold outside. I'm not gonna take them for a walk today. Yesterday I took them for a walk, right? And poor Preston, his little fingers, they were like so cold. I felt bad. I felt really bad. We are out here on the walk. Man, look at those clouds. I would never see those clouds in California, only in Texas. They're so wild. I don't know what they're called. It's crazy because it's such a nice day, but it is fucking cold. Poor babies. They're bundled up, but it might be a bit much for them. It's even colder today, so I'm just not going to take them out for a walk. So I got to figure out something to do with them indoors that gets us all a little bit of exercise. I'm going to get to editing this video right now. Okay. Okay, well, that did not last long. She is already awake. It's about 3 o'clock. Preston, he'll probably be up soon. So I guess I'll just take this time, since I'm not editing at the moment, to make some lunch. Probably eat the rest of the tuna fish that I made the other day. Let me raise that camera, hold on. All right, is that better? I think that's better. But tuna fish reminds me of my dad. My dad used to come home from work. So I would get home from school, like high school, right? Probably like around 3:30 every day, because I'd walk home. And my dad would probably get there sometimes a little after 4. And I remember I'd get home, I'd take off my backpack, I'd start playing video games. And then my dad would come home, and he would always ask me if I wanted the sandwich. My dad loves sandwiches. One of his favorite sandwiches to make was a tuna fish sandwich. And because of that, that's what I grew up eating, and I love it now. So whenever we have tuna fish, I always make mine into a tuna fish sandwich. The room is a mess. Azalea's already home. I'm actually about to leave to the gym. Dinner tonight is chicken nuggets and fries. They're all in the oven. But I was closing the blinds because I'm going to put Preston down for another nap. And it just looks like blue outside. It's so weird. Like when it's cold, you can just see that it's cold. It's crazy. And I'm wearing shorts today, so hopefully, I'm not really gonna be outside. I'm just walking to the car and then walking into the gym, so it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, is that better? I don't know if that's better. It's not better. I adjusted the lighting a little bit. It's okay. It's like pitch dark in here. Everybody's asleep, so I'm talking low. So we'll keep this short, but you should be getting this vlog today. I'm 2 for 2 right now of doing the daily vlogs and tracking my progress with the Bro Bracelet Club. Every day's not gonna be a good step forward, but most will be. So when it came down to it, I had to choose between Wix and Shopify. And I decided to go with Shopify. What I found to be more complicated with Wix is the translation from a desktop website to a phone's website. Let me explain. So when you edit a website on your desktop computer, you're editing 2 different versions. You're editing the version that people will see when they go on the desktop, and then you're editing the version that people will see when they're on their phone. Most people today shop on their phones, right? So you want to prioritize the look on your phone. However, you still want to make sure it looks professional for the desktop. Now, Shopify, I think, takes the cake when it comes to the web design for your desktop and for your computer. What happens is when you're editing your website, it translates so perfect from desktop to the phone design. I hope that makes sense to you. Like there's very minimal adjustments you have to make. Everything almost seamlessly works together and works well. Like I can do the full edit of my desktop, and when I switch to, my cat's crawling around, but when I do the full edit of my desktop version, it translates very well to the phone version. Like I don't have to really do anything, versus on Wix, when I'm done editing my desktop version and then I go to my phone's version of the website, everything is off. Like the title is gonna be off-centered, the pictures aren't aligning correctly. Still very early in the process. I can make any changes I need to. Nobody's paying attention. So when nobody's paying attention to something, you can do whatever you want. And it's funny because that's what makes people stop when it comes to making like videos, or when it comes to starting a business. People are very afraid of what others will think or what others will say, but the truth is, nobody's even paying attention. So just do it, make your mistakes. Nobody's gonna pay attention to what they're not even seeing, right? It's like 4:20 now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get Preston up and I'm gonna feed him and then continue on this website. Anyways, thank you for watching, I appreciate it. I'm gonna continue my daily vlog. I gotta get this one edited and then work on the website, I got a lot of stuff to do. But anyways, ciao, see you later.